Back on?
Yeah, working.
Let's wait for her.
Just gotta get the GoPro running. We gotta have documentation.
Yeah.
When was you guys here last?
I don't remember. Travis, do you remember what month we came last time?
It was September.
Yeah, it was September. Last September.
Last September?
Yeah.
Okay.
About a year ago. It was, I think, the 4th.
Was it?
Last year. That's when Dave planned.
Yeah.
YOUCave water's really high. You'll definitely not die.
All right. Let me try to get in through here.
Yeah, guys, watch yourselves.
You guys remember how to get up this?
Maybe. I think. Actually, yeah, I do.
You take this?
Giant pile of
You need to climb it. No, you have to come under here. Under here. You come under here.
Okay, if you want to go under the rock, you can do that. You got to wait till I'm up there to spot if you're going to go on the outside. Okay? That's all I ask.
Okay, so we're all going under.
So you can start heading up if you want.
Wait, why? How do you go under?
You just went
We're gonna be here. We're gonna be waiting so long.
Yeah.
They're so slow.
Yeah.
Do we want to go? Yeah, why not? No, it's here.
Okay.
Curious.
Let me get down here.
Are you gonna go under? You just rub my booty. Probably go.
Yeah, which
All right.
Slow down. The booty.
You ready to go up?
Yes.
Foot, back up a bit. Guys. Foot, foot, foot.
So when we go under here, do we just pop up right here?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
Do you mind holding this?
Go ahead.
Okay. Should I go under now?
Yeah, go ahead.
These 3 of those.
All right, here we go. You guys remember how to do this?
Yeah, I do.
Not really.
You weren't here last time, so you shouldn't be able to know.
Yeah, if you remember it, we were. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, Liam.
Notice the no. Make
That
sure
one.
you know that.
What? Make sure we what?
There you go. There you go. These bugs are getting my mouth. All right, go ahead.
I could sleep in there. I think we could just go over.
It's so slippery down here.
How are you
You
going?
can go over or under.
How are we supposed
You can
to
either go under the rock or go on the outside.
I just remember that there is I thought there was
You want to go to the outside?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Wait for Jonas. No, you have to wait for
Yeah,
Jonas.
and I'm just going to spot right here.
Okay.
That's it. Very good.
Do you want to
Go
go
under
first?
the,
You
you
can
do
go
the
down.
back and forth jump like from Mario.
I mean, it's probably backwards, so that'll be the end of you, Jonas.
Don't get too close to the edge up there, guys.
Can't bend down.
Hello, little children.
Hey, we're not little children.
Yeah, we are.
You're so small. Like ants.
You are too.
Actually, probably more like cockroaches.
Okay. Guys are doing really good. Look at this.
Okay.
Well, I mean, he's one with 9% body fat. Squeeze through anything. Just breathe out and shove him through.
I have like no flexibility with this.
Okay, if you turn around, there's a hole in the wall that you can stick your foot in.
Come on, Noah.
There you go.
I see the hole. Just don't fall on me. That's all I say.
That's all you're asking?
Yeah.
No one know on it?
You're not going to go get that.
Is there anything?
Ready, Henry?
I'm gonna wait for Noah.
No, you're good. You're good. You're clear.
Hey, I'll join your guys' list. No. I don't have a list, no. This is like a size I think. Well, it's negotiation.
That's
Size
it.
13.
$1,000.
That's it.
You got a clown. You're a clown.
People are just coming right up.
Hey, guys.
Yeah.
We're in indoor voices.
You were sick last year, right now?
Inside voices.
So he's gonna go.
Hey, use your underground voices.
Whoa.
Actually, I think we climb up that.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, we climb up there.
Just take your time.
Put your foot, you see like that inside? Put your foot there.
That one right there.
Liam
Yeah, I
has
can
a medical
do that.
condition, get a voice
Oh, yeah.
isolation issue.
I should not have gone to watch.
Can you control the tone or the volume of his voice?
You can put it in your mouth.
There's a hole by my hands.
Yeah.
How much cooked?
He has a hole in his nose.
Like a hole from your glove or like a hole in your skin?
The hole in your glove.
Oh yeah, Henry, you want some help? Keep your foot out.
Okay, I got this.
It's a little more slippery than last time, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like it is.
Last time it wasn't as moist.
I think it's probably the rain.
There we go.
Okay, I made it up.
We're going that way.
I can tell.
We're going up that little tiny credit right there.
Yeah, we're
Hey,
going over there.
guys.
I can hear you, but I can't understand.
What do you need? You said can you hear you?
Keep answering.
All right.
Yeah, his is shiny.
Okay. Now,
Right one.
we have 3 choices. Since you guys have done this before. That's the way we probably went last time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice and easy and smooth sailing.
Yeah.
Right to the wishing well.
Yeah.
So if you want to do the wishing well, we can go down there and give that a try. Now, excuse me, these bugs are in my mouth. If we drop down here, we can go down this path here. It's sort of walking, a little stooping and walking. And you could do the wishing well backwards if you want. Or just keep on going down and we'll meet up where this one leads to. Now, and the other one is dropping down in this hole here. Go down across underneath a rock that's hanging down. And then you kind of like crawl until you get to a room where you can stand up and there's this big chimney type thing that goes up maybe 6-7 feet. And you climb out. You can climb up there and then come out over there and drop down right where the wishing well is.
Oh, yeah, I see we go this one.
Okay.
Because then we can do the wishing well
Which way is the
and the
hardest?
chimney.
Which way's the hardest?
That,
Yeah.
That one? That way.
that's bare to get out of, okay? So make sure you spot, the best climber needs to be last, okay? Because you gotta spot everybody going through,
You're gonna have 3 spotters.
okay? I'm gonna be on the other side spotting because I don't want you just to fall off the edge of the,
Okay, so here's the
so if
best
you don't wanna do that, okay, we can go down this way,
Alright, we're going this way.
all right?
Pick out the hard guys.
Wait, but who's the
Yeah,
best
these guys
climber?
they're gonna go for the.
It's obviously Noah.
What?
Let's just go in reverse age.
Yeah, well, that's the strongest here, so like.
All right, who is holding the map? Who's in charge of the map?
Charlie. Liam. Charlie.
Who's
Yeah.
Leo?
Alright guys.
You had it.
Charlie.
Let's not argue, let's hit.
Just take the map.
Okay,
Go on,
let me
let's
see.
go.
Who's doing all that, Matt?
Oh, fine. I guess I'll
Okay,
take it.
here, right
Charlie,
here
why
is,
don't you
right
take
here is
it?
where,
Okay.
this is where we are, and here you're gonna go here, through room
Wait,
1,
where are the
room
directions?
2, and you see here where there's a circle,
Yeah.
and it says, dome well,
Just try with
Yeah.
Letty.
that's where you're going
That's
up.
where we're gonna go?
Yep, that's where you're headed up.
Okay.
Oh wait, who's gonna go last?
Guys, Charlie and Liam go first,
Wyatt
then
will
all
go
the
last.
chipmunks, and then I'll go last with
Yeah,
Wyatt, because
that's-
we're about the same side. We
Where's
push everybody else up.
Yeah,
I'll come behind you.
Oh wow.
Well, we were gonna push you guys up.
just take your time, guys.
I'll meet you at the.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a little tiny.
Yeah.
I don't want getting that bug out of my throat.
We just need to like really suck
This
in
is
on
where,
that one.
you know, like, I've been waiting my whole life for this, for being the shortest guy in the group. Like,
Yeah,
this is what we do.
it pays off.
I was showing them all my Vietnam style tunnels I've been plumbing the last couple of weeks, and these old, they give me the skinniest helper.
You okay, Charlie?
Yeah. I'm fine.
We just need to like suck it in.
Oh, wrong way, man.
Wait, we're supposed to go head first.
Whatever way works.
No, I'm just kidding.
There's only one wrong way.
Which way's that?
It involves a trip to the ER and a lot of paperwork.
We're just going straight.
Should we just go through this way then?
Yeah, I'm going that way, yeah. Just take care of yourselves, guys.
Yeah, I'm never gonna fit. Everybody go
Yeah.
this way or something?
Mr. Travis and
I
Caroline.
think I'm the smallest.
Are you going with
here, so
Denmark?
I'm gonna go.
Oh my goodness.
Mark, next. Chipmunks, come on together. I'm gonna go after.
No, let Henry go now.
I want to go there.
Oh wow, that is small.
Let Henry go.
That is tiny.
Stop that.
No, we got Crisco if you need it. Bring a stick of butter.
Now we have to go.
There we go.
All right.
Okay. Cutting down. Oh gosh.
Oh, this is easy.
I tore my pants. Okay, everybody else made it, so I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
All right. You guys are doing good.
Go ahead, Dylan. Yeah, you brought the race.
Oh,
I know. What size shoes you wear?
We go up.
Probably just stay there.
Yeah. I think I have to go up.
Take your time doing it. It's a bear to climb out of.
Do both of these go the same way?
Yeah,
Okay.
both of these. They kind of meet up.
Yeah. I forget which one I did last time. This one I'm sure you just climb up and go along the shelf.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I might need a little bit.
Now, if we'd want to do the catacombs, the crawl, the long crawl, the entryway, well, one of the
go up,
entryways
right?
is right down this passageway
Mr.
to the
Allen.
left. Yeah,
You go up, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Well, I do. If you can find another way.
Charlie, take the map here.
And then you're going back into another call stream.
I have no clue where we are.
Just go straight. Go to where everything is.
Once you get up there, you'll see me.
Oh hey.
There you go. Just come this way.
Okay.
You can stick the map just inside your coveralls, so you have your hands. Just throw it inside. You know, if it falls down, it's okay.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
The pocket's too small. Here, I'll just. I should probably go feet first. Should I go feet first?
Some people turn around up here. Some people turn around back there. It's up to you. Whatever you're more comfortable doing.
Okay.
Good, good. You're doing really good. Okay, we come all the way down to here.
Hola.
Now we can either go this way or that way. It's up to you guys.
Okay.
There you go.
I already tore my pants.
Oh, good.
That's the spirit, Leo.
Okay.
Yeah, look. It's a big one too. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
Are we going that way?
Okay, try. I gotta get through.
I got
You
it.
want to come this way with me?
Sure.
It's a big one.
It happens.
Heavy duty.
That's why I've got all these patches on mine.
Yeah.
We can button it.
Yeah, it was like I think like the first thing. There was like a rocket like snagged in my.
Yep. Yep. And they're gonna head that way.
I hope I don't fall.
You're not gonna fall if someone's below you. How is he sitting?
Get your, can you swing your legs over?
Oh yeah.
Let me.
Now you have all this to lean against to help you spin. There you go.
There we go.
I hope I know which way to go.
Just come towards the light, Henry.
Okay.
This way. Henry, call this way towards us.
Okay, coming.
Yeah. Yeah, right towards us. There you go. That way.
Guys are doing good. Look at this.
Hey, we're professionals.
Yeah.
Hey, we did that in like 5 seconds.
Swing my feet around.
That's it. That's it. Now you just slide along here, and there's a rock here you can go down and go to, and then they're headed that way. You can lean against here if you want to keep your balance. Okay? Just watch. Don't go down in the hole. Just there you go. You got it. You got it. All right.
Hey, now come this way.
This way?
Yeah. Don't step off. Walk one.
Actually, just hold mine.
Oh. Now, do
Yeah,
I
did
stand
you
here
take-
to tell the next person?
Yeah. Just take your time, guys.
You don't go up there.
Okay.
Wait, where do I go after?
Come towards me. There we go. Come on this way. Very good. Very good. Yeah, when you get down here, you get spin around, and they're headed that way. Okay?
I'm gonna wait.
You're doing good.
The other people come.
Very good. Very good. I just want to make sure you don't fall off this ledge. There's a rock there you can step down onto and then head that direction. Okay? And you can lean against this wall here and keep your balance.
Hey, you're my butt.
Where is it?